दर्शन दे दो, तुम ही हो जगत विधाता, तुम ही हो जगत विधाता। दर्शन दे दो, आओ रे भगवन हमें दर्शन दे दो, तुम ही हो जगत विधाता, ओ तुम ही हो जगत।
Good evening everyone. Good evening and welcome to the evening session. Just before we start the session, would like to get confirmation if you can see us and hear us. All clear, good to start. Thank you so much for joining once again. Today we are going to do some karma dissolving meditation at the end. Also we'll do some kriya and pranayama like every day. Welcome Pawan ji, Rajesh ji, namaste. Tapasya, thank you. I would like to welcome Sujata, Surekha, Minakshi, Trish and Sumi ji. Also Kuldeep ji, Auntie ji, all welcome to the evening session. All right, which group? I don't know. This Adam is saying from. All right, Adam, just let us know which group you are talking about so we can. Oh, it's some nasty fellow, I think. Anyway, welcome again. Evening session. So let's start our session with keep your back straight. Take long and deep breathing. Slowly, slowly let it go. Like every day, we'll work on a mental stress. We'll do some kriya, we'll do some pranayama, which is breathing technique, and also we'll followed by meditation. The two things is not to create any resistance. All we do here is align our mind, align our body, align our energy, so that all these uncertain times don't give us a stress. Take long and deep breathing. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly, slowly let it go. Now with next long and deep breath in, we'll chant Am 3 times. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breath in. As we understand from last 2 months, we've been learning about the dysfunction of our mind, how our mind create unconscious thoughts. With unconscious thought, how it creates unrequired emotions. Also, when the emotions are not in check, we know that our actions are also not in check, so we regret on our action then. So if we take care, like Gautam Buddha said, if we take care of our thoughts, we can take care of our emotions, and when we take care of our emotions, our actions get automatically taken care. So the two dysfunction we always talk about is that mind has created, that we are always into the thought process, we can't stop this thinking. And thought always, when we look deep into meditation, we see that the thought either belongs to the past or belong to the future. So all we do here in our session is to train our mind and body to anchor into the present moment and not to clear any kind of resistance for any unpleasant sensation or disturbance. So today I know you are at home, so you might be getting a lot of disturbance as well. So what we do is accept the present moment as it is and keep doing Kriya, keep learning how to keep our mind in present so that we don't create aversions or cravings. Now when you are in past, you usually see that will create anger in us, that he said that, she said that. When you are in future, you create anxiety, what will happen to me, what will happen to my children, what will happen to my family, what will happen to my job, uncertainties. These two things, either past or future, and as we learn that past is nothing but the memory and future is nothing but the imagination, and we learn to be in the present. So whole Kriya, 2 rules, simple rules. We don't create any aversion, don't create any craving. Also, we try to be in present by feeling every sensation in body. Also, we will see that we don't create any resistance to any disturbance at home. If the kids are shouting or if there is a noise, also we give 100%. So now we'll start with the Kriya. Turn your head towards your left as much as possible. Put your right palm onto your right cheek and press your right cheek onto your palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly hand going down. Make sure that you feel the movement of your hand and your neck. So anchor your mind into the present moment. With opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back of the head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Slowly, slowly Now the trick is to make sure that your mind is anchored into the present moment. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly going down towards right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, hand going down. Put the palm onto forehead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Behind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly going down. Now we'll do for Vishuddhi Chakra. Chin going to the chest, then going up, going down, again going up, going down, going up. Become aware of all the stretches, going down, going up, going down, going up, going down, going up, going down. Try to anchor your mind into present moment by watching all the sensation and feeling. Going up, going down, going up, going down. Now both the hands on your knee, creating 360 degree with shoulder rotating. Make sure that shoulder blades are touching each other. If you know the poses, it's better to do it with the eyes closed so that you feel what is going in your body and what is going into your mind. Just become witness as a third person to your mind and body. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Now we'll do Anahata Chakra. Put the palm on there and push yourself back as much as possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Now we'll do for our Manipuraka Chakra. Going down to your knee, coming back, going down to the center, Again coming back, going to the right, again coming back. Make sure you keep your mind into this present moment by feeling all the stretches, becoming aware of all the sensations in your body, all the thoughts in your mind, just as a third person, without getting indulged into your thought process. Just become, see what is happening in my body right now. But don't try to change it. If your body feels stiff, let it be stiff. If your mind feels heavy, let it feel heavy. If you feel light, just make sure that you know that you feel light. Now we'll do full circle. Now opposite, going down. Feel the stretch. Very good. Now open your left leg. Swadhisthana chakra. Put your right leg onto your left leg. Press your knee onto your chest and then going down. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now opposite leg. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Make sure that your eyes are closed and you feel the stretches. The whole point is to anchor our mind into the present moment. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Very good. Now we'll do Shishupalasana, keeping your right leg into your arms like this, and we'll see that the spine, the monkey bone, tail of your spine is getting energized. Very good. Now kiss your baby. Opposite. When we do this kriya, you will see that your mind, body, everything is getting flexible. That's because the energy start to flow. With due to the emotional baggage or the hurt or emotional trauma, all this junction point which is chakras are blocked, where the energy don't start to flow. Then wherever there is no energy, it's an unconscious part of our body. When you do yoga kriya, you will see that the energy start to flow beautifully and you can feel your body light. Kiss your baby. Very good. Now with both the legs, we'll do butterfly pose. Butterfly pose. This is very good to create a foundation. Many people can't sit for a long time, and meditation and Kriya needs some long sitting. 1, 2, 1, 2, up, down, 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 up, down. You'll see that the foundation is getting stronger. Very good. Now sit in Ardha Padmasana. Keep your back straight. Eyes closed. We'll do pranayama. We'll do 3 pranayama today. One is a counting breath. Second, we'll do Kapalbhati. And third, we'll do Bhamri pranayam. This will instantly bring a lot of oxygen into our system, and also it will bring your mind into present moment. With counting meditation, when I count, start taking breath slowly with my counting, then hold, then again exhaling slowly with my counting, then again hold. So we make 2 holds. One is full lung, one empty lung. Take breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. Breathe out. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Again. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. Breathe out. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. Breathe out. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. Breathe out. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. This is empty lung position. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. Full lung position. Breathe out. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. Breathe out. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. Breathe out. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. Breathe out. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. Breathe out. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. Breathe out. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Relax. Keep your palm open to the sky. Become aware of the silence surrounding you. Become aware of your breath. Become aware of the sensation on your body. Become aware of the clothes touching your body. Become aware of the silence surrounding you. Take your attention to your ear and try to listen to silence. Kapalbhati, exhaling through stomach. Only exhale, do not inhale. Keep your mouth shut. Only exhale through nose. Start. Relax. Do not inhale, only exhale. Become aware the bliss entering your body. Become aware the peace entering yourself. Try to become witness to your being. Try to see your mind and body as a third person. One more time. Start. Relax. Become aware of the silence surrounding you. Become aware of the clothes touching you. Create no resistance to any unpleasant sensation. Whatever is happening, just accept it as is it. One more last time. Start. Relax. We have to empty ourselves from carbon dioxide. Keep your eyes closed, back straight. Feel the touch of your clothes. Feel the touch of air onto your face. Feel the sensation, cold, hot, any kind of sensation. Don't try to involve in anything, just become aware like a third person to everything, that you are the observer. Rest, everything is just happening. Don't attach your story to it, don't attach your name to it, don't attach any visual to it. Extremely present. We'll do we'll do Bhramri Pranayam. In Bhramri Pranayam, just watch me first. Take two thumbs into your ear like this, and then forefinger closing eyes, taking long and deep breathing like this. You have to keep teeth on teeth. So taking long deep breathing, then mouth closed and chanting Am with teeth on each other. Take long and deep breathing. 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 Relax. Become aware of the silence. Put your right hand onto your chest. Put your left hand onto the floor and become aware of your heartbeat. Now on left hand, become aware of the touch onto the floor. Just become aware of your heartbeat and also simultaneously feel the touch on the floor. Be 100% present. Feel the touch of your hand onto your chest and feel the left hand onto the floor. Just keep feeling. We have to do nothing. Just you have to keep feeling that. Feel the energy on the left hand passing through your left hand towards your heart, coming up from left hand, entering to the shoulder, moving towards right shoulder, and from right hand passing to the heart. Entire attention on the touch of your hands, both the palms, and become aware of the energy flow. Some of you might feel the warmth on the palm. Some of you might feel the heaviness into your hand. It's a part of process where energy flows, dissolving all the knots. This is cosmic energy which flows to your mind and body when your mind is in present moment. When your mind, body and energy is aligned, a sweet flow of cosmic energy starts. Experience on your own. Feel the energy moving from left hand into your chest. Now keep both the palm onto your lap, open to sky. Become aware of your back, lower back and upper back. Become aware of your neck. Become aware of your back of your head. Keep your spine straight. From top of your head, visualize all the unwanted toxins going out of your body in the form of blue waves. The back of your head has become a channel for all the unwanted thoughts into your head, unwanted people, unwanted memories. Let them exit through back of your head. Visualize that all unwanted thoughts, all unwanted emotions, all judgments, all the labelings are getting out of your head in the form of blue waves, making your head lighter and lighter. Take your attention to your neck and feel the same waves coming out, taking out all the impurities accumulated in the energy field, which creates the stiffness of neck, stiffness in body. We clear all that karmic account. Take your attention to your upper back and visualize that all the accumulated hurt, all the unwanted thoughts, all the memories of trauma, all the knots in your chest get dissolved and get vaporized through back of your body, upper back. Visualize the vapors are going out. Lower part of your back, visualize all the stiffness in your back, all the knots in your stomach, all are getting dissolved, and these blue waves coming out of your back, taking out all the toxins, taking out all the stiffness. The entire lower back exhausting these blue waves, all the impurities, all the stiffness, all the sickness, all the knots, emotional knots, all getting dissolved and moving out of your body. Just become aware. Now visualize from entire body, from your face, chest, stomach, hands, legs, everything, all unwanted things are passing from your back. The blue color form, rejuvenating your head, face, back of your head, all this exiting, all the stubbornness, all the meanness, all the stiffness, all the blockage of your energy getting dissolved and evaporating from your body, making you pure and more pure. From your top of your back, from lower back, empty yourself of all the accumulations from throughout the life. Let go of all the hurt. Let go whatever you have stored. Let go of all the old memories. Let go of all the old people. Cleanse yourself completely inside out. Visualize all unwanted thoughts going out. Visualize all unwanted people going out. Visualize all unwanted words are going out. Visualize all the unwanted hurt is going out. Empty yourself completely. Empty your mind. Empty your body. Empty your heart. When all the old thing goes out, there is a space for new things to happen in our life. Keep visualizing that your body is getting lighter and emptier. All the hurts, all the trauma is going out of your body, making space for new things to happen in your life, making that your existing body rejuvenates, making sure that your mind become as fresh as a little boy, making sure that your heart opens up, all your chakra opens up, cleans entire nadis, clean entire chakras, and immediately you will see that beautiful sweet taste comes down into your throat. You'll see that when the whole karmic body is cleansed, that beautiful cosmic energy starts entering from the top of your head. Take attention to your top of your head and feel the blue color energy entering your body from top of your head. Feel the flow on top of your head, entering your body, feeling your body, feeling your head, feeling your forehead, feeling your eyes, back of your eyes, feeling your nose, cheeks, ear, lips, chin, slowly feeling your neck. All this blue color energy turning you into blue color, filling you with a divine cosmic energy, dissolving all the knots, all the stiffness, going into shoulders, right hand, right calf, right palm, left shoulder, left arm, left palm, entire left hand, feeling with the cosmic energy, dissolving all the knots, all the hurt, evaporating entire thing from the back. In your chest, feeling your chest with the divine blue energy, dissolving all the hurt, opening up heart chakra into the stomach, dissolving all the diseases, vaporizing them and exiting through the back. All the tummy problems, chest problems, all the blockages, all the knots, dissolving into this cosmic energy and vaporizing it through the back. Entire upper back, lower back, all the knots are getting dissolved and vaporizing from the back. Take attention to your hip. The energy is filling your hip. It has filled up already your head, face, neck, chest, stomach, both the hands. Going down your hips, genitals, both thighs, knees, calves, feeling one by one, dissolving all the issues with bones, muscles, knots, creating clear passage for air, oxygen, blood and energy, taking out all the blockages and vaporizing them, melting them and evaporating them through out of your body. Visualize your entire body filled up with this divine blue energy, which is called cosmic energy, dissolving all the issues you have. Imagine yourself filled up with this blue energy from top of your head to the tips of your toes, like a transparent glass bottle. Imagine yourself transparent, filled with blue energy. See that your air touching your body from the front and without any restriction, passing through your face, exiting to your back of your head, touching your chest and exiting through the back. Whole body is melted, became transparent, and all the sensation, cold, air, everything can now pass unrestricted, because there is no blockage remain. All the blockage has gone. Feel that all the air touching your body, passing through you, all the sensation passing through you, through your head, through your chest going into back. Your hands have become transparent. Your face has become transparent. Your shoulder have become transparent. There is no walls. There is no boundary. The whole energy, whole sensation are just getting past. All deformities, all the knots, all the hurts, everything getting dissolved, coming out of your back, rejuvenating you. Feel all the air passing through you as if you are not there. You have melted into the environment. Now everything can pass through you without getting stuck to you. Imagine that lightness. Feel that lightness like a feather, like you are there but as a pure consciousness, without mind and without body. Take long and deep breathing. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breathing. Slowly, slowly let it go. Visualize yourself coming back. Feel your hands coming back. Feel your face coming back. Feel your neck coming back, chest coming back, stomach coming back. Feel your both the legs coming back. Feel the entire solidify of your body. Become aware of entire body. Become aware of the sensation on the body. Keep your eyes closed and sit in a relaxed pose. If you want to open your leg, open, but don't open your eyes. Just sit in a relaxed pose. Just keep listening to silence. If you want to open your legs, you can open your legs. Sit in a relaxed position. Just keep your eyes closed. Just become aware of the silence surrounding you. Just become aware of the blissfulness surrounding you. Take long and deep breathing. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breathing. Slowly, slowly let it go. Just sit, relax.
मैं तो नहीं हूँ इंसानों में, बिकता हूँ मैं तो इन दुकानों में। मैं तो नहीं हूँ इंसानों में, बिकता हूँ मैं तो इन दुकानों में। दुनिया बनाई मैंने हाथों से, मिट्टी से नहीं जज्बातों से। फिर रहा हूँ ढूंढता मेरे निशान, हैं कहाँ मेरे निशान, हैं कहाँ मेरे निशान। मुझसे बने हैं ये पंछी, ये बहता पानी, लेके जमी से आसमां तक मेरी ही कहानी। मुझसे बने हैं ये पंछी, ये बहता पानी, लेके जमी से आसमां तक मेरी ही कहानी। तू भी है मुझसे बना, बांटे मुझे क्यों यहाँ। मेरी बनाई तकदीरें हैं, सांसों भरी ये तस्वीरें हैं, फिर भी हैं क्यों बेजुबान मेरे निशान, हैं कहाँ मेरे निशान, हैं कहाँ मेरे निशान।
Thank you very much for joining today. I hope you enjoyed today's session. So if you are online, please say hello so we can reply to you and we know you all were there. And one more time, I would like to thank you for all the contributions and donations. I am very proud that till today we are able to make a great amount of collection for our centers reopening, and I have applied to council as well. So thank you very much for doing that, and thank you very much for joining. Please say hello, hi if you are there so I can answer you, and also tell me how did you like the today's session and any question or feedback, and I would try to answer them tomorrow. Till then, have a beautiful evening, rest of the evening, and have a blissful night. You'll see how you sleep today, and you'll see how rejuvenated tomorrow morning you'll feel. Every day, whatever we do, we try to cleanse, and I will again come back tomorrow evening with some more meditation, and I'll see you tomorrow. Try to be present, try to bring presence in your every activity. When you are eating, make sure that only eating. When you are having bath, ensure that you are only having bath. What that means, when you are eating, be mindful of what it tastes like. Try to achieve. When you are drinking water, make sure you feel the water going in. When you are having bath, just feel the water flowing through your body, dissolving all the deformities. So be there, here and now. Not like my body is here and mind somewhere else. I am having shower but I am thinking 1,000 things. I am eating but then I am watching or thinking. Not like that. Bring the presence into your life. So whatever you do, be fully aware there 100% with mind and body. And the moment you are there fully 100% with mind and body, you will see that the cosmic energy starts to flow. There is only one obstacle between cosmic energy and us, that is our these thousands and thousands of thought happening without reason, because you will see 99% of these thoughts are useless and repetitive. So practice the presence, practice to be in presence. Thank you so much for joining, and I'll see you tomorrow.